Hello friends, welcome to Namaste English. Friends, today we have brought very interesting story. The ant and the grasshopper. So let's begin the story. Friends, once upon a time, there was a grasshopper and the ant in the jungle. The grasshopper and the ant were good friends. In summer season, the ant worked hard to fill its storage for food, while the grasshopper was enjoying in fine weather and playing all day. When winter came, the ant was lying cozily in its home, surrounded by the food it stored during the summer, while the grasshopper was in his home, hungry and freezing. He asked the ant for food, and the ant gave him some, but it wasn't enough to last the entire winter. When the grasshopper tried to ask the ant again, the ant later replied, "I'm sorry, my friend, but my food is just enough for my family to last until the end of the winter. If I give you more, we too will starve. We had the entire summer to prepare for the winter, but you chose to play instead." The moral of the story is, we should not waste the right time, as it does not last long. Thank you for listening to this story.